So first aid kits are something that you should always have with you, but I want you to think a little differently about a kit like this. This is a trauma first aid kit made by MyMedic, and I think this is something that everybody should have in their vehicle, in their camping kit, maybe even backpacking. The reason is it's set up for trauma, a serious accident where you can stop bleeding with a tourniquet or something like this. And MyMedic makes a great one. So I'm going to go through everything in here and why I, hopefully convince you that you should have a TFA kit as well, trauma first aid kit as well in your setup. So this is made by MyMedic. It's cool. It has a platform for the back that you can hook onto the back of a seat, anywhere in a boat, whatever it might be. You unclip and you just pull away. Now you've got your platform gone. You can go run and do whatever you need with this. I do like that they have their tourniquet piece is separate as well. So you can actually have the tourniquet on a backpack or something that you're carrying all the time, because these rapid tourniquet kits, rat tourniquet kits, are some of the best out there. So they have theirs right on the front of it. This is a sort of clamshell style. So tear it open and it's all right here. Let me go through the contents for you in order of kind of how you might go about it. There are gloves. So you're gonna want to grab gloves right away. You might be able to wash away a wound to clean it, but it might be bleeding so bad that you need this clot cloth to put down, and then compression bandage that will go over top of it. Of course, the tourniquets on the outside for sure if somebody's bleeding really, really bad. You have some gauze here, and of course a marker to be write things down for paramedics and such when they come. In here you have a survival setup too. So you have a whistle and a pen light with, you can kind of see it on there, the dilation to see if somebody is in a concussion or something like that. Here is your CPR mask, and then you have scissors quick so you can cut away some pants or clothing, whatever it might be. This one we have a space blanket to go with that survival, or if somebody's in shock, get them some warmth. Pull out these, there's a couple compartments in this section. Pull out the top two. We have some sutures, some zips that you can suture a cut or whatever if you can't really just have it stitched because you're way back in the wilderness. Here is a airway device, which if you're going to use something like this, you should check it out and really learn how to use it. And then these chest seals, two of them. So if somebody's really cut where you can't really tourniquet, you've got these chest seals to put on it, and then of course pressure. So that's the whole kit. By far, it's one of the best ones out there. I didn't show you the rapid tourniquet kit right here too. So this is a rapid tourniquet kit, one of the best. These you should have in every car. It's the 3-finger style. 3 fingers go in here. It wraps around your leg and then locks in nice and tight. You're able to take 3 around a thigh, multiple around an arm. So that is the MyMedic trauma kit, and I think it's something that everybody should have. As you can see, this is all for like right at a trauma. It's not going to be something like a Band-Aid or antiseptic. That's going to be taken care of with a regular first aid kit.